As we planning to feed monkeys today, we walk into the local stores to buy bananas and mangoes.
එලවුන්ට දෙන්න කියලා බැලුවේ. හ්ම්. හොඳයිනේ. මේකත් ඉදිලා නේ හොඳ. There are a lot of banana for lucky monkey, and we need to find the monkeys are. And we have mangoes also. It's gonna find mangoes. Thank you. So we have mango and banana, and we are going to find the lucky monkey.
Lucky monkey.
Let's go. Let's go get them.
Wow.
We have few monkeys, so maybe I'm gonna give them like 2-3 bananas, and we have, you know, mangoes, ribes. Nice mango, man, really nice. So I'm gonna give them. See, they're really interesting. They're happy. Okay, there you go. What? Sorry? I'm sorry. He's looking for one. Okay. You got one? So they're really happy and they are enjoying in front of us. And I guess we're gonna give some more. I wanna give them more. I don't know. They look starving. Well, after a long time they're having food. So why not? I should give them. Why not? I'm gonna give them more. I mean, more and more. They're really starving and they're enjoying. Oh, they are really friends now. They're coming so closer. So anyone want mango? They're eating it too much. Okay. Oh, they touch me even. Okay, come. Okay. Same side. Oh, they are in the camera. Wow. I mean, I'm really happy when I'm seeing them. They're really interesting. Yeah. All right. So we're gonna get out of here. Maybe the next shoot. See the crowd here? So all of them going to get banana and mango. So let's do it. We have a lot of banana and mango. That's it. So they are going to get more mango. Okay. Like, happy? So what we really do is Sri Lanka currently having a tough time, so the animals as well. So we are trying to help people as well as the animals. Our next project will be something else, so we'll be curious, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. That will be super helpful for us to do a lot something like this. We support animals, and yeah, of course we did support people. So this is the next part, and never know what's gonna happen next, so don't forget to subscribe.